In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear wiper arm on this Chevy Trailblazer. This is mounted directly to your rear liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Take hold of your rear wiper arm, lift it up a little bit, and pull it away from the rear window. Now we're going to take hold of the rear wiper blade, pivot it just enough that we can carefully slide our fingers inside of this area. The next thing you want to do is just gently start pushing this forward a little bit while prying it away from the arm. Should slide right out of there. You can see the beam going across the center here. And that fits into the grooves that are on the back side of this. Now that we have the blade off of there, let's continue on removing the arm from the vehicle. You'll find that you have a small trap door that's protecting a mounting nut inside of this area. You can use a small screwdriver or a pick to remove that cover. Once you've given that a quick inspection, have a quick look on the inside there. We'll give it a quick spray with some penetrant, let that do its job, and then we'll remove the mounting nut. Use a 13mm on this. Inspect your mounting nut, replace it as necessary. Once you have the mounting nut off of there, we're going to have to take hold of the wiper arm. Give it a little wiggle, shaking it side to side. You want to be extremely careful because the shaft that leads to your wiper motor goes through the wiper arm. We don't want to damage that, we just want to break these areas free from each other. Now, if by shaking this, it does not want to break free for you, you can continue on using a trim tool. Make your way in right behind the wiper arm. You should find a small lip that you can grab onto, and just gently start prying on the arm, one direction and the other. Eventually it should break free. We'll continue on to removing this from the rear tailgate. Take hold of it and give it a light tug to remove it. There it is, friends. Now that we have the wiper arm off of the vehicle, it's important to make sure that you clean and inspect the mounting area. This entire area that you can see is part of that rear wiper motor. So if it's damaged in some way, you need to replace it. A little bit of corrosion, typically you can just go ahead and wipe it away. Now we can prepare for installation of our brand new rear wiper arm. You'll find that the washer fluid hose makes its way straight on through this area. You'll want to bring it down and swoop it around just like this. We'll place this into the tailgate. Just go ahead and press it right in until it bottoms out. Just double check to make sure that's secure. Now the next thing we'll do is remove this cap right here. You know exactly what to do. Use your small screwdriver or pick, remove that cover. We'll continue on making sure that the washer fluid hose comes down and around the backside here, and we'll put this in position. Start it right on there. We'll pay attention to the resting area. This should rest right down in here. Once you've done so, continue on by pressing this directly in this area. That will press the shaft directly into the center of the arm. Now we can put on our mounting nut. We'll start this on, snug it up by hand, and then we'll torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Double check to make sure you're completely secured. Reinstall your protective cap. As for the protective cap, you want to make sure you have that small locking tab facing down towards the bottom. Press that in until it's bottomed out and secured properly, and we'll continue on to the wiper blade. Let's get ready to install the wiper blade on the arm. Pull the arm away from the vehicle. Slide the center of the wiper blade into the groove on the wiper arm and press the two pieces together. We'll just put this in the resting position here. Okay, friend, we've got our car back together. At this point, you can go ahead and hop in the passenger compartment and test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.